wasting money by using local facilities when we've got our own ground here. It's going to make a huge difference to the club, especially where the junior section and mini section itself will be able to play more games on here. There's already, like I said, more teams looking to come to the club because they know that the facilities are here once the drainage is in place for them to play football.
If you can imagine on the ground in a season, juniors playing 12 games to juniors playing 30 games, it says it all, I think.
We hope that we can form closer links with the local schools. Really, well, they already use it for their sports days, but with the new fencing around the ground, it's much safer.